Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide the undead invasion march route on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on this more button down below on the right side of the screen. Then tap on settings. After that you should click on the third button, which is options. Scroll down until you can find this undead invasion march route section. Within this section you can find one feature that you can enable, which is about hiding the undead invasion march routes, so you won't see it on the world map. So if you would like to enable this feature, tap on this button next to it on the right side, and once it turns green it means that it has been turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.